Brooklyn car accident lawyer. A car crash can flip your world in a heartbeat. Most physical injuries eventually heal, but some leave a lasting mark. When insurers delay or minimize your claim, bills pile up and paychecks stop. New York's no-fault rules are supposed to put money in your hands quickly, yet the system often feels like just one more fight. If you were hurt in a Brooklyn car accident, you deserve an honest conversation about your legal options. At Kucher Law Group, we treat your injury case with care and provide both big results and personal service. We are available 24/7 to answer questions and support you. We don't get paid unless we win your case, reflecting our mission to be your steadfast advocate. Brooklyn's roads are dangerous. The NYPD counted more than 3,000 crashes in December 2024, up from 2,776 in December 2021. Nationally, motor vehicle crashes were the top cause of accidental deaths in 2023. Locally, Atlantic Avenue and Flatbush Avenue near Barclays Center, the Flatbush Avenue corridor through Prospect Heights, and the Atlantic Avenue corridor have been identified as high-risk zones. Double parking, ongoing construction, and dense traffic amplify these risks. Distracted driving, improper passing, speeding, and drunk driving are common causes. If you crash, secure the scene, call 911, get medical attention, document everything, exchange only essential information, and contact a lawyer before speaking with insurers. Don't accept quick settlements. Insurers often offer less than you deserve. New York's no-fault insurance system requires at least $25,000, $50,000 for bodily injury, $50,000 per $100,000 for death, and $10,000 for property damage. Benefits are available regardless of who caused the crash if you were injured as a driver, passenger, pedestrian, or cyclist, though motorcycle riders are excluded. While no-fault benefits should simplify claims, $25,000 often falls short and insurers may challenge injury severity. New York's pure comparative negligence rule allows recovery reduced by your share of fault. To sue an at-fault driver, injuries must meet the serious injury threshold, such as death, dismemberment, significant disfigurement, fracture, loss of a fetus, permanent loss or limitation of a body organ or system, or a medically determined impairment preventing you from performing usual activities for at least 90 of the 180 days following the injury. Because insurers dispute whether injuries meet this threshold, having an attorney is essential. Car accidents can cause traumatic brain injuries, spinal damage, broken bones, soft tissue injuries, internal injuries, and emotional or psychological harm. Bodily injury liability claims average around $24,000, while property damage claims average under $6,000. The more severe your injuries and economic losses, such as medical bills, lost wages, and rehabilitation, the higher your potential settlement. You may pursue compensation beyond basic no-fault benefits for medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, pain and suffering, and wrongful death. In Brooklyn, you must file a no-fault claim within 30 days and generally have 3 years to file a personal injury lawsuit or 2 years for wrongful death. Claims involving government vehicles require a notice of claim within 90 days and a lawsuit within 1 year and 90 days. These deadlines make prompt legal advice crucial. If the at-fault driver lacks insurance, your uninsured motorist coverage provides at least $25,000 per person and $50,000 per crash. Suing an uninsured driver may not yield compensation if they lack assets. Experienced lawyers investigate other liable parties, such as additional drivers, vehicle manufacturers, or government entities responsible for road maintenance. Our firm conducts thorough investigations, gathers and analyzes evidence, assesses injuries and future costs, negotiates with insurers, and goes to court if necessary. We use local data and city records to build strong cases for crashes in high-risk Brooklyn intersections. Whether your accident involved a rear end, T-bone, head-on, rideshare, pedestrian, bicycle, motorcycle, truck, or multi-vehicle collision, we craft a tailored legal strategy. If you or a loved one has been injured in a Brooklyn car accident, act quickly. Insurance companies often try to settle rear-end crash claims rapidly to minimize payouts. Never accept a settlement without consulting a lawyer. Contact Kucher Law Group, the law firm located at 463 Pulaski Street No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221, at 929-563-6780. Our lawyers will review your case, explain your options, and fight for the compensation you deserve.